Hi and welcome to the second video on how to make a Popplet. Okay, this is the home page of Popplet. As you can see, my name is written Hello Christina, so I know that I'm in my Popplet. To make a new Popplet, very easy, make a new Popplet. You have to choose your name. As in this unit, we have to talk about the three economic sectors. We are going to call like this, the three economic sectors. And I can choose the color. I'm going to choose blue, for example, make it so. As you can see, I have my Popplet here in blue with the letters. And look, it's very easy to start creating it. You only have to double click. And this will be created. Here I can write the three economic sectors. With this arrow, I can make it bigger or smaller. And I can move. So I'm going to move it and leave it here at the top. Can you see these buttons here? With these buttons, you can create new Popplets. So as there are three economic sectors, I'm going to create three Popplets. When you read the document, you will see that the first one is the primary sector. Then I click on the second one and I write the secondary sector. And finally, I write the tertiary sector. I can move my Popplets so I can have them in order, and I can make my board smaller or bigger so I can see more things. Okay, I'm going to continue. I'm going to give some more examples on how you can do it. In the primary sector, I know that there are different activities such as farming, fishing, mining, and forestry. It's very easy to order them, okay? I make it a little bit smaller so I can see everything. I put the three economic sectors, the primary sector with farming, fishing, mining, and forestry. Then I have the secondary sector and the tertiary sector. Farming, I know that there are two kinds of farming, which is arable farming and livestock. Okay, so I can see everything now. Have a look. Here you have different squares. The first one is to change the color of your Popplet. You can change and keep it red, orange, yellow, whatever, yes? The second one is to change the kind of letter. The third one is to edit it, and the fourth one is to add a picture. You can do many things. I have decided to do it like this, but you know that you can do in many different ways. Look, then when you finish, you have two options. The first one is share. If you share this Popplet for everybody, and even you can add collaborators here. And then the other option is you click on this and first of all save. Okay, so your Popplet is kept. And then you go to export. You can, okay, it is saved. You can export it as PDF, JPEG, okay, and another kind of picture. You keep it, export as PDF, for example. I see the three economic sectors, keep it in my computer, and I have it kept for me. So in this way, you can send it to me and I can see what you have worked. So here we finish with the second video.